Hey guys, today is very having some rain. You cannot see the mountains now. You can see it is only some clouds, smoke, some bugs on the mountain. So here we planted today one apple tree, and not far from him here I make a distance around 10 meters. Another apple tree here. Apple tree, another 10 meters. It's 10 meters here, another apple tree. So this side apple tree also. Now I have one tuog that I'm able to, actually I found these seedlings on the wild, then I rebag. This is a tuog tree, almost 10 meters or so from here. But I think that is from here and there, maybe 6 meters, 7 meters. And from here to there, it is also, that is Yakal Saplungan. Yakal Saplungan. You can see the leaves is smaller than the apple. So from here, I also planted some yakals. Yes, yakal. And in between species, I planted the ubi. So I still have ubi seedlings. So this is now, this for ubi, but some water come to the hole. You'll see here. So because it's rainy today. And this is along the fence. So the fence is supporting, our fence now is protecting the seedlings. So after a year you can see how this will grow. And the weather is rainy. This is primarily a rice field. I'm converting this for my vegetable. From there, my wife is coming here. We are busy for the end of the year. This is end of the year. And you can see already, I will show you, actually I will show you here. To those thinking that the bamboos are not is shallow enough to prevent soil erosion. But we can see here, you can judge, my friend. Just judge how this even there is a one Madre de Cacao in holding the bank of the river, and I don't know what kind of bamboo this one is. Another type of bamboo planted here, and it is touching on the river actually now. And we have also there. So hoping now I have my this is ubi. ubi. So I plant around more than 1 feet from the fence. Little ubi will cling on this fence. So almost 1 meter, more than a meter, yeah, 1 meter. My wife is here. It's enjoying here. This is really our retirement, my retirement. So we are checking our farm. Hope so we can leave it in old age, my friend. See how this yakal sapo a yellow bamboo. Itong yellow bamboo also here. What kind of this? Samang? So still, so far, still time for us to develop this 2 hectares farm lot. Murag pa man mo ugat siguro. Galing na ugat po, no? Buslutan na lang siguro. Murag pa man yun mo ugat siguro. Ha? Bawan rin na ito. Nagbuhi ba nagdili? Idog all good. So we are bringing also moringa here. We'll try to plant our moringa here also. I still also now marketing the moringa. I am Loloy Garcia. Actually just retired as an OFW. I work in a petrochemical plant. So this is my, I'm proud for this investment here. Part of my savings, I invested on buying lands. So this is part of my, here you can see here, this is a rice field, so I will convert this for vegetable garden. And a retirement house I was building there, hoping within 6 months or it can be, we can see. This is a retirement one, so I want simple life after engaging a long time after graduation in college. It is my dream to make a simple dream. Actually, my dream to have a farm. So this is it. This is the savings I got on working in Kuwait as a petrochemical plant senior process operator, senior process technologist, they call that. So my education is related to chemical processing. So that's it. This is the fruit of the labor in Kuwait, and hope so you like my video. I will document all here if really the natural farming is I'm really the proponent of natural farming. I'm not engaging in chemicals, although I work in chemical plant, but I'll never use here. I'll try my best to survive on these times of finances. Finances will be, and I have to prove this plant. We'll see if natural farming is sustainable in the Philippines. And thanks for watching my video. Hope you follow me in this adventure. And as usual, I ask your support. Please subscribe. Hit that bell button, so that you can any videos I will make again, you can get it in your notification. Thanks.